Have you ever been in a near-miss situation on the road and thought, if I crashed, how would I prove it wasn't my fault? The problem is that most budget dash cams promise 4K but deliver a blurry mess where you can't even read a license plate 2 feet away. Today, here on Shop Smart, we're analyzing the Galphi Q2. It costs between $50 and $70, but it packs a real UHD sensor that received a massive upgrade recently. Stick around because I'm going to show you why its screen-free design is actually its biggest advantage and how it survives the scorching sun that destroys ordinary cameras. Before we dive into the details, here is a professional tip. If you search for this model, you might find older 2K versions. However, Galphi upgraded the hardware on January 13, 2025 to a native 4K 2160p CMOS sensor. They even added an extra USB port to the cigarette lighter charger so you can charge your phone while the camera is working. It's this attention to detail that separates brands that just copy from those that actually evolve their products. Let's talk optics. The Galphi Q2 uses a 6-layer glass 6G lens with a wide f.16 aperture. For the non-techies, the smaller that f number, the more light gets in. This, combined with WDR, wide dynamic range technology, solves the biggest problem with dashcams: contrast. Imagine driving out of a dark tunnel into direct midday sun. In ordinary cameras, the image would turn white for seconds. On the Q2, the processor adjusts the light frame by frame to keep details sharp, and with 160-degree wide angle, it doesn't just see the front, it sees the intersections and side lanes, eliminating blind spots. Here is a detail almost no one tells you. Dash cams with lithium batteries can be dangerous. Leaving a battery inside a closed car in the sun can cause swelling or even an explosion. The Galphi Q2 solves this by using a supercapacitor. It doesn't hold a charge like a battery, but it is extremely resistant to extreme heat and cold, ensuring your video saves correctly the second you turn off your car. No failures for years to come. Since this camera has no screen, you control everything via the Pezio app over Wi-Fi. This is where it shines again. Most cheap cameras use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is slow as snail. The Q2 features 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The mini story here is clear. Instead of waiting 10 minutes for a video to download for a police officer on the shoulder of the road, you can download evidence in seconds at 8 megabytes per second. That is agility when you need proof the most. The kit in the box is very generous. It includes electrostatic stickers that allow you to mount the camera to the glass without leaving a sticky residue if you ever need to remove it. Also, since there's no screen, the camera uses voice alerts to talk to you. When you start the car, it says "Start recording." If there's an SD card error, or if the G sensor locks a video after an impact, it notifies you instantly. It's a set-and-forget system that actually works.
Since we keep it real here at Shop Smart, let's talk about the trade-offs. The 24H parking mode is excellent, but it requires a hardwire kit sold separately. Also, the internal recorded audio can be a bit quiet. If you want to record cabin conversations perfectly, you might need to boost the volume during video editing. Is it worth it? If you want invisible security and the best image clarity for the lowest price, the Galphi Q2 is the budget king for 2026. And if you like this philosophy of buying what's actually worth the money, I highly recommend watching my review of the GNMN V7 earbuds. They deliver an incredible 96 hours of battery life and follow the same smart savings pattern we analyzed today. The video is appearing on your screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the Shop Smart channel for more smart tech analysis. See you in the next one.